Just a quick little satisfying video of us pulling out some rose bushes and a passion fruit tree.
Taproot, no taproot. When you can get the taproot out, it's even better. When you can't, destroy it. Sometimes they could be tens, if not hundreds of meters down, depending on the bush. Rose bushes, about probably 5-10 meters at most. But yeah, if you can't get the taproot out, destroy it, and then it'll be alright. If you can, even better. This was the smaller one. That's the taproot there, this one right here. Just like that, all 5 rose bushes, and we're pretty sure the last one was a passion fruit vine, all out. So with 3 of them, excluding, so 4 of them, including the passion fruit, all the tap roots come out. So the last 3 rose bushes and the passion fruit, and then the last 2, well, the first 2 actually that I did, the tap roots didn't come out, so we destroyed them. So they won't come back, and if they do, it won't be for a few years, which is good. So all done.